So guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to 6 o'clock in Houston in the winter. So guys, as you can tell, we're loading up the X5 right now. Jack, battery charger, and a few other things. We are gonna head over to where I have the M3 stored, guys. If you have not noticed, the white M3 has not been at this house for a while, about 6 months, 7 months, almost. I haven't driven the car. It's been sitting. The battery died on it, and then I swapped batteries with that one to the red one for Week Fest, and now we're swapping back, putting a battery back in the white car, getting it started, and gonna see if you guys remember correctly. Go way back in the archives of videos, guys. We broke the diff bolt at the last at the last track event, guys, and we never fixed it. We got all new stuff from ECS though. ECS Tuning nicely sent us all new bushings and bolts and everything, guys. Sent us all new stuff. So we need to jump over there and see what we actually have to replace. I know it's dark, but I got a light. See you at the car, guys. We are here. There she is. I don't know if you can see her yet. I gotta find the light switch. I honestly don't know where the light switch is. Hang on. Ugh. Right. There it is. Well. Oh. Ah. Got it. That was the wrong light switch, guys. But there she is, guys. So as you can see, she's been sitting. She's a little dirty, but she's all together except for the rear diff. So let's get the jack out, let's get the light out, and let's get this rear end jacked up, get a battery in it, see if she will start. Well, guys, the battery is not charged enough. So we'll put it on the charger real quick while we jack it up. What I thought was a broken diff bolt, which I checked both rear diff bolts, we nicely just do not even have one in the front here. So my problem is the diff bolt backed out. It didn't break. Threads are clean on the back. Looks like we just need to thread in a new diff bolt. Well, this looks like, I think when they put this diff in, and I don't want to say who put this diff in, but I know who put this diff in, and I know why that bolt backed out. I think Chris will know why too. But, oh no. Nah, I lie, guys. I looked at it from back here. The diff bolt broke. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. It's too dark. The diff bolt broke. So the diff bolt is still in there. So we'll have to drill and extract it. Our only option. So gotta figure out how we're gonna do this, because I got a new bushing up front, so we can pull that bushing out I really don't want to drop the whole diff. It's not on my list of fun things to do. Try to drill it out from inside, I guess? I don't know. First things first, we need to get the... wait. Need to get the diff bolt hole lined up with the actual diff bolt so that we can get the drill bit in there correctly and be able to actually do some work. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in a socket here. I thought was going to need a ratchet enough to balance out and see if we can get this lined up, then we'll pull out the drill, guys. Guys, I've never had to do this before with the diff in the car, and I really don't feel like pulling the diff out of the car, so we are going to be doing this with the diff in the car. So we have our drill and we got our drill bit, and I wanted to start with a little bit smaller drill bit, but problem is my smaller drill bit is not deep enough to get into all the way through. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use a slightly bigger bit, one that I did not want to use first, but we'll see if this works. And yeah, and see if this works and get this bolt at least started with a hole so we can move from there. Well, we got our little mini extractor in here, and our bolt is moving. Granted, I don't know. I gotta figure out which way we're coming back out, or we're gonna go. I don't want to go forward. I want to pull it out this way. So, guess we gotta keep going righty-tighty. So we gotta keep going that way. So, up we go. So guys, we got the bolt to move around, but we are going to open up this hole a little bit bigger so that we can get the little bit bigger extractor on there and really get a grip on this bolt so we can pull it out. So guys, just give me the whole thing. Let's see. So guys, whatever I did not film, which was a lot. It was a lot of drilling, guys. But we have the old bolt out finally, and I'm putting the new one in, and I'm threading it in right now. We're gonna see if this works. With drilling, sometimes you mess up threads on the diff. So we'll see if this threads in here and stays tight. If it does, good. If not, then we will have to come back and do a through bolt all the way through. So we will see here in a second. So let's get this tightened down and see if this will actually tighten down and stay. And we'll go from there. I want to go slow. I want to kind of feel it with the open end. Oh, man. No, that's fine, guys. I think Yeah, we can see it comes through on the backside, and we kind of mess those threads up back there. But it's in right now. But we will have to put some sort of nut on the backside, because this is not tight. It's tight right now, but it's not like torqued down tight. But it would work temporarily to like move the car around and stuff, but eventually that'll back out and fall and do all that, guys. But as you can see, we have the new bolt in. We drilled the old one out, and that's what we did tonight, guys. So tomorrow I'll go get another bolt with a a lock washer on the backside, and we will fit that. But now the diff is done, guys. For right now, we're just looking for a temporary fix on it so we can start driving this again. Also, the battery was dead. Bad battery. So we have to go get a new battery at O'Reilly's anyway, so yay! Yeah, so that was it, guys. I know, not very compelling or long, but we put a bolt in, so we can technically move it around and technically drive it for a little while before it backs out. But so guys, as you saw in the last video, or the last section of this video, we did the diff bolt on the M3 on the track car, guys. We got the new bolt in, we got the old bolt drilled out, but we couldn't get the car started because the battery was dead. And the battery that I had in the car was one from my red M3, guys, and that one was a bad battery. I think it's got a few bad cells. So we're gonna grab that battery and we are gonna head over to O'Reilly's, get the sun, get the battery checked out. Guys, so this car sat for a good solid 8 months, 6-8 months without being driven. So there is a ton of crap left in it. But we're gonna get it all cleaned up and taken care of. For the white car. I know a lot of you guys are gonna like give me crap about washing it with a brush, a 1 bucket, some generic freaking AutoZone soap, but for this thing, it's all it needs. All my other cars I do the 2 bucket method, microfiber, you know, mitt, and all that kind of stuff, but for this thing the paint isn't that great to start out with. A few places have been resprayed already. You know, I did give it a slight detail when I first got it, guys, but the paint's still pretty bad. There's cracks all in the bumper. There's chips everywhere. So I'm not really worried. I just need to get the layers of dirt off the car so I can drive this thing tomorrow. The X5's alternator burned up, so I'm not able to drive that one tomorrow, so I get to drive the track car to work tomorrow. So But yeah, so it's clean, guys. Diff bolt is fixed. We are good to go to drive this thing, guys. So if you haven't been following me on Instagram, guys, you should. I got a big surprise. I put out some teasers, guys. The red M3's parts finally came in, and super excited. Let's just say, super excited to get those parts, guys. Gonna do the unveil after I shoot the first video for the company. So just keep an eye out on Instagram and on YouTube for what's coming for the red M3, guys. Still have a few holiday stickers left, guys, so go get those as well. DM me or message me and I'll send them out to you guys. But keep watching. Got some big stuff coming up for Texas E36 Garage, guys. Later.